Jimbolita high-strength alloy template. Using the toughness of steel to forge the precision of the times. Subverting the problems of traditional wooden formwork not being reusable and high cost of aluminum formwork. It is about efficiency, quality, and sustainable future. Wood formwork is made of zinc aluminum magnesium steel, which is resistant to compression and deformation, and can easily be a high-pressure concrete. Its service life is over 50 times, and it is economical, environmentally friendly, and zero waste. Our steel formwork has an angle of less than 0.5, a length accuracy of less than 0.2 millimeters, and a hole-to-hole accuracy of 0.2 millimeters. Currently, the accuracy of our steel formwork is 1 to 2 millimeters, which is 10 times higher than that of our peers. Seamless splicing, smooth and even, flawless concrete forming, bidding farewell to secondary repair, can be widely used in high-rise buildings, bridges, tunnels, water conservancy dams, and other projects. Modular design, assembly speed 3 times faster than wooden templates. Repeated use, comprehensive cost reduction of 30%, recovering investment costs in 20 days. Choosing steel formwork is not only about choosing tools, but also about choosing an efficient, high-quality, and sustainable future. Consult now to obtain a free manual of exquisite steel templates. Wealth Hotline 864006998187